Tonight, outbreaks of bird flu are surging across the country, leading to soaring egg prices. Since 2023, prices have more than doubled, and experts tell us they expect things will only get worse. 8 News reporter Sierra Krug joining us live in the Digital Center tonight. So, Sierra, we've seen bird flu locally, is that right?
Deanna, yes, that is right. We know last week 2 cranes died of bird flu at the Metro Richmond Zoo, the zoo's first cases of the highly contagious illness in 30 years.
Chickens, cattle, and price tags. Those are the bird flu's primary victims as cases surge nationwide. A new mutation of the virus spreading now too.
So not a great sign either, because we don't want co-circulating influenza in any population, birds or cows or humans.
Dr. Patrick Jackson with UVA Health says the risk is still relatively low for humans, but that's referring to humans' health. Your wallet isn't as lucky. The United States Department of Agriculture predicts egg prices will increase by 20% this year.
What we need to have happening right now is CDC working closely with state and local health departments and agricultural departments to do good monitoring about what's going on in wild bird populations, in cattle, collecting information about human cases as well, and then disseminating that information to the broader community.
But this all comes as the Trump administration put a pause on communication from health agencies like the CDC. This also means reports on related research are on hold. I asked Dr. Jackson about these bird flu studies.
They're absolutely essential. So, one of the major publications that most of us look for in the field is the CDC's MMWR, or Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. So it's a weekly publication, as the name indicates, about kind of public health threats and infectious diseases and things like that. And kind of in an unprecedented way, we haven't had an issue since January 2nd.
Meanwhile, Jackson tells us the populations at greatest risk right now are hunters and those working in agriculture. Those individuals may want to keep a closer eye on their symptoms and make sure they're using proper dressing and protocol when handling animals. This as medical professionals wait to see how contact with federal health agencies could change.
I think that uncertainty does kind of put us in a more difficult situation.
I'm told it's basic supply and demand. Each time bird flu is traced to any bird, the entire flock has to be killed, minimizing our poultry supply and therefore shooting those egg prices up. Dr. Jackson says this isn't unexpected, but that if we do start to see the virus spreading human to human, that would be a major red flag and indicative of a potential pandemic. But we're not at that point right now. For now, live in the Digital Center, Sierra Krug, 8 News.